Hi everyone, welcome to Create Me. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple recipe of Play-Doh. So first you'll need is 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, a food color gel or food color of your choice, 1 cup of boiling water. Okay, so first you have to do is pour the flour, the salt, and the cream of tartar. So if you mix it in well, just make sure you mix it in so that they're all mixed together. Okay. Once that is done, then you add in your oil. Mix that in. And then put your color dye into your boiling water. Mix that up and pour it in. And then mix that together. Okay, so here we're just trying to mix it all together and mix it until it's no longer sticky. Okay, so after when you see that it's slowly, all the water has gone and you mix it pretty well, then you can remove your fork and mix it with your hand. Just make sure that the Play-Doh is not hot for your hand because we were using boiling water. Yep, so just mix it together like that. Okay, you just got to mix it, fold it in basically so that it's no longer sticky. Once it's no longer sticky, then you're all ready. If you want the color to be more vibrant, then you just add in more color gel, okay? And with this Play-Doh, you can, once you're done with it and you're not using it yet, or once after you finish using it, just wrap it up with cling wrap, and then you can store it up to 6 months. Okay, now it's still a bit warm, so that's why it's like this. But once it's cooled down, then you have your Play-Doh ready to play with. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So there, you have your Play-Doh to play with. Just make sure it cools down completely before you let your kids play with it. For now, we're not playing with it yet, so I'm just going to cling wrap it and I'll show you. So roll it into a ball. Yep. Wrap it up. So that way. A bit like fondant, marshmallow fondant. Then you roll it the other way. Alright, And that's pretty much it. And then you store it into an airtight container and then you're done. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you next time. Bye!